Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Cadillac Escalade and how to change the crankshaft position sensor. So if your vehicle is having trouble cranking or it's throwing a crankshaft check engine light code, then this video will help you guys out. This method is very similar to other GMC and Chevy vehicles, and if you guys are also looking for the parts or tools that I used in this video, I'll have them all linked down below in my description box. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started on this DIY. So I'm going to jack up the Escalade and get underneath it, and the crankshaft sensor on this vehicle is hidden on top of the starter, so it's a pretty tight squeeze, so you want to make sure you got the right tools. And as far as tools, for me, I'm using a ratchet with a very long extension, and there are two bolts that you're going to have to remove off of the starter, and both of these bolts that we're removing are going to be very long, so keep turning and turning, and eventually you will get it out. Now with both of the bolts out of the way, we're going to move the starter out of the way so we could get access to the crankshaft. And for that, all you're going to keep doing is wiggling the starter, and eventually you will have it out of its slot and you can move it out of the way. And as you guys can see right here, I have revealed the crankshaft sensor. It's right here. It's held on with one bolt and there's an electrical wiring running to it. And now to remove this, I'm going to remove the electrical wiring. It's just a tab. We're going to lift it and pull the cable right up. And then there's one bolt that I'm going to remove. And here's the bolt. It's not as long as the starter bolt, but now that that's out of the way, we're going to just pull the crankshaft sensor out and replace it with the new one. Installing the new sensor is pretty straightforward. You're going to insert it into the hole, align up the screw hole, and install the bolt. And then I'm going to clean up the electrical wire that I disconnected, connect the wire back, and then reinstall the starter, which was held on by two bolts. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to change your crankshaft position sensor. And if you guys did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you guys soon with another DIY video. Thank you.